Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send disappearing photos on Snapchat. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Snapchat. Okay, and then you need to take a snap. Okay, so once you take a snap, here you can see a timer. Click on that. From here you can set the timer how long a picture will stay in front of your friend when you send. So here you can see you can select up to 10 seconds, and here you can see snap and story set to no limit can be saved by friends. So I'm going to set the timer to 3 seconds. So okay, so let me select okay. It is selected, and then you simply need to click on next, and after that you can share that with any of your friends like this. So this is the process by which you can send disappearing photos on Snapchat. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.